My name is Girish Ram, advocate and solicitor. In continuation of our series on RERA, today I am going to show you how to file a complaint before real estate authority. Under RERA, in case of any dispute between allottee or promoter or even real estate agent, only competent authority or competent court is real estate authority. All civil courts have no jurisdiction to decide any dispute between them, which are exclusively covered by real estate or the RERA. Now, take a case that purchaser may have a dispute or claim for either interest or refund of the money, or not delivering the flat as promised under the agreement. Developer may have a dispute with the allottee because allottee is not paying in time. So he may have a dispute that he is not paying in the time, so he wants the agreement cancelled. Or any other thing also there could be. And then a real estate agent can have a complaint against allottee or maybe also against the project promoter also for not getting his commission. Whatever it might be, all complaints have to be filed before real estate authority. In this case, what I am showing is that the allottee, that a flat purchaser, is filing a complaint against the promoter. As said earlier, that complaint can be normally is for not giving possession in time and for the claim of interest under section 18 of the RERA. So complaint has to be filed online. And at the same time, earlier at least the process of physical complaint also was being followed. But after RERA, there are a lot of limitations, but you can load all the documents which you want to know or load even after filing of the complaint. When you file a complaint, there are 2-3 things should be ready before you start with the filing of the complaint. First is that brief facts of the complaint should be ready. Make it on your laptop or computer and keep it ready. Prayer which you are going to pray, that also keep it ready. And interim prayer, if you have any, that also you keep it ready. And all document which you want to rely upon, like a notice or detailed complaint, all those things you have to get it converted into PDF, and PDF should be less than 1 MB. So all those things you keep it ready before you start with the complaint filing. I will show how to go about filing of a complaint. So when you are going for complaint, first is that you have to go to the RERA website. You can go to the RERA, put into Google RERA website. You will come to a website, this RERA online.goi.login.login. Once you go there, this is the screen which you will get. Once you get this screen, they will ask for username and then password. Or maybe first time you are doing, so you may not be having a username. In that case, new registration you have to put and then register yourself. Where that time while registering, they will be asking you whether you are a promoter, whether you are a complainant, or you are a real estate agent. So since you are a complainant, you have to register as a complainant. So for that purpose, you will have to go for new registration. All those particulars they will be asking, and then you will be registered as a user. But since I am already there, I have already registered, so I am not going through that process. So I am just going through just a minute. So I am just going. I have to go through Google as told to you, but it's not going back. I have just typed RERA login and this login page come on the Google. So I'm just pressing it. So I'm on this page. So now what I will be doing is that I have already my name registered in this. So I will put my username. So you type your username, password, and cache, then login. So I then now logged in. They are showing one complaint pending, which I earlier tried to do it. So now once you are logging, you will have on the left hand side is an account. There will be my profile. So you can just check up what is your profile you are done. Check up it's proper. You will have to give all your particulars detail first. So that is will be your profile. If there is, then if you have to change the password, change it. So after this, I'll go to the complaint detail. If I had one complaint just for purpose of demo I had done, so I will now give add new complaint. If you have no complaint, again no problem. You should put a new complaint. Once you put new complaint, then they will ask you which is division. First question will be which is division. So you will have to decide. There are all these divisions are there in this. Amravati, Aurangabad, Konkan, Nagpur, Nashik, Pune. So you will have to find which place you are project place. I am since Bombay or Thana, so I am putting it Konkan. All these Bombay, there is a 6. This is basically a 6 revenue division. According to that only they have divided for RERA division also. So it's a Konkan division. So now Konkan division, then I put my registration number of the project against which I have to file. Just understand registration number of the project against which you want to file a complaint. So put that registration number. Once you put that, they will verify it. They, in the sense, the system itself will verify it. Yes, I verified, then save the complaint. Then I'm putting save the complaint, right? Complaint details saved successfully, right? Then complainant's name. So I'm putting complainant's name, Birishra. Complaint type. So select member type. So who are you? Promoter? No. Real estate agent? No. I am allotted. So I am putting allotted, right? So here in brief, write the complaint. What is your nature of complaint? I told earlier, keep this ready. Just you can do copy paste, but I am just randomly typing something, not giving possession. But you have to write in detail all particulars. I am telling all particulars. You write it. I am just for sake of demo, just writing a two words. That's all. But don't do it. You write entire complaint which you want to write. Their address of existing office resident of complainant. That is my address. Actually, this is not required, but because already it is there, but still there it's the requirement. So we are just putting that. That mark behind. So again here select division Konkan. This when you select Konkan division, you will find various options. Raigad, Ratnagiri, Thane, Sindhudurga, Mumbai city, Mumbai suburb, Palghar. So it's a Thane. So I write Thane. Then I pin code number. Then contact number. Contact number I am writing. Office number is not required. Then email ID. Then save the complaint. After this is done, you save the complaint. What is not? Oh, here it is not. Oh, sorry. Taluka Thane. Okay. Select village. What are the options for village? I am writing Thane Municipal Corporation. Okay. Save the complaint. So data saved successfully. So that means your complaints, your saved, this first part is completed. Okay. After that, you will find here name coming, everything, your address and everything. Now go for next. Now you have to file particulars of the respondent. So I am putting the respondent name as XYZ Limited. Type of resident, type of respondent, promoter. Address of existing office of respondent. Actually, it is not mandatory because once project is registered, they have everything. I don't know why they are just insisting still, but whatever mandatory, I am putting it. You can put ABC complex. Just randomly, I am putting. Sorry, here ABC complex. ABC. Then flat number 101 street Ram Maruti Road. Then go to division, again Konkan division because it's in Thane. District also Thane. Taluka Thane. Village Mumbai Municipal, Thane Municipal Corporation. Then pin code 400601. Email ID. So you have to give a respondent's email ID. And that is abc@gmail.com. Then what you are doing? You are saving also respondent. First you are saved complainant. Now you are saving respondent. Data successfully saved successfully. Now go to next step. Next. See, you will find again same thing is coming. You need not fill anything. Only if there are more than one respondent are there, that is the time you will have to fill it. Otherwise, just leave it and go ahead for the next step. See, this is the thing which I told keep ready before you go for filing of a complaint. First part is give concise statement of facts and ground for complaint or claim against the respondent. So just I told you keep it ready, just do cut paste. So I am just putting something randomly, not giving possession. But you don't do this way. You keep ready detail what is your complaint and then cut and copy paste it here over. Then here you have to load a document. The complaint, a detailed complaint which you might be having, keep it ready. You have to load it. As I told earlier, convert it into PDF form and ensure that it is less than 1 MB. So what I am doing here, choose file. So I am filing that complaint. I hope it is less than 1 MB. So again, then you come next part in this reliefs compensation sort in view of fact mentioned above, the complainant applicants pray for following relief. This is a format which they have shown. So accordingly, whatever your reliefs are, put it. Again, I am typing same thing, but you will not be doing same thing because you are actually doing it. Whatever your complaint is, it will depend what your complaint is. So again, after the brief prayer, all prayers, whatever I will suggest, whatever prayer you have made for main complaint, type those prayer in this column. Then again, choose file. I am here loading again same. Again, you can load the same complaint, upload, or you can make separate. I don't know why it went here. Session. So this is all uploaded. Then interim prayer. If I want any interim prayer, so I will write pending hearing and final disposal. Again, I am filing the same thing. Then again, for this purpose, upload document. Following format is required. So what you have to do is choose the file and then open, and then you have to type upload. So all those things I have done. I have filed a complaint. Now complaint is ready. Now what is the next step? Let's see what is the next step. Now you have to type next. So basically, first you are given detail of the complainant. Second, you are given the detail of the respondent. Now you are going for a next step. So you press next. So you are giving your affidavit detail. So I'm just typing Girish. Son of. Then place I am putting Thane and date I am putting 9th. Yes. So this is also saved. So everything is saved successfully. Complaint is lodged successfully. Everything is saved. Now is payment part. So whatever I have now loaded, it has received a complaint number. So I'll put press. Then general information. Once I put the complaint number, you will get then everything what is there, complainant's name, address for communication, contact detail, etc. And all those things it is come. Now upload document, given not possession. So whatever there, it is there particular. If you want to change, you can change it now. Afterwards, you will not get an opportunity to change declaration and all those things. Then you have to say here, I have read and agreed about terms and condition. See, there is a declaration also which has been typed it and has come automatically over there. I, Girish Rao, son of Satyanarayan Rao, the complainant, do hereby verify the all information provided by me are true to my personal knowledge and belief, and that I have not suppressed any material fact, etc. So this declaration is also there. Now confirm and proceed to pay. So they have given our various options, either generate challan or make a payment. So make a payment, you press. See, this is what everything is ready. Payment description, maximum registration fee, everything they have given. So now when you go, but how much amount you have to pay? Registration fees of 5,000 rupees, service charges of 50, then GST and other thing. So now you will make a payment. So there are various options which is giving net banking, credit card, So whatever way you want to make a payment, you make a payment. So proceed for payment, it will come. Then put all particulars, make a payment. Once you make this payment, you will get an email confirming your payment, giving your complaint number, all particulars. So you have now filed a complaint against the promoter. So this is how you have to file a complaint against the promoter. Similarly, if you are a promoter, if you have a complaint against the respondent, that is the allotee, same process will have to be followed. Only changes which will be required to be made will have to be done at a particular place. So this is how whole process of complaint is. In spite of that, if you have any query, do kindly write to us or connect with us at the phone number which is given, and also at the email ID which is given. Thank you. Happy learning.